Doctors are pleading with people to get vaccinated. The story of Pastor Daryl Boone and his wife Lizetta might help.
The couple contracted COVID earlier this month. The pastor died from the disease. His wife spoke to our Melissa Correa from a hospital bed.
Hey there, Mia. Mrs. Boone tells me that her physical health is improving, but as you can imagine, her heart is broken. She says her husband died from COVID-19 over the weekend and that the couple had been mulling over the idea of getting the vaccine. They just had it. On the corner of 4th and Neville, a beacon of faith, a house of worship in the heart of Hitchcock, led by Pastor Daryl Boone and his wife, Lizetta. They started with 3 members, and when their congregation grew to 40, Boone preached from the rooftop. Next week, the couple were set to celebrate 2 years at the church. But last Monday, August 2nd, the pastor used Facebook to alert members that he was closing the church after he, his wife, and a few others contracted COVID-19. Daryl Boone asked for prayers so that he could fully recover and continue growing the church.
Pastor Boone was a really wonderful man.
Hitchcock Police Chief Wilmon Smith communicated with the pastor last Wednesday.
We were actually texting, and he told me that he was having a rough time. He said this hurts down to the bone.
Sunday morning, word spread Pastor Daryl Boone had died from COVID-19.
This virus is very, very serious, and it's taken a lot of people out.
Hitchcock hosted 2 vaccine clinics today. Smith says his city has one of the lowest vaccination rates in Galveston County.
We've seen more COVID in our community than we've ever seen. And we're seeing more people in the hospital than we've ever seen.
Dr. Kaiser is the county's health authority.
And it's time to get vaccinated. It's just time.
The community wants to celebrate the life of Pastor Daryl Boone.
He will be sorely missed.
But those plans now on pause as his wife continues her hospitalized fight against COVID-19. You know, as painful as these stories are, Dr. Kaiser is hopeful that the life and story of Pastor Daryl Boone will resonate with at least one person because, Ron, it's these personal stories that doctors think may change someone's mind if they happen to be hesitant about COVID-19 vaccines.
All right. Thank you so much, Melissa Correa, reporting live. Thank you so much. And we remind you, vaccines are readily available in the area. Throughout this newscast, information on the shots and testing will be scrolling at the bottom of your screen.